तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? Just kidding. गुस्सा मत करो भाई, मेरे पे गुस्सा मत करो. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is the second video in the celebrity fashion analysis series. The first video I made was about Bhuvan Bam. If you did not watch the video link is right here. You can click on the card or it's also linked in the description below. Whoa, hear me out. Before getting mad because of the title and making me the next Amir Siddiqui, like I want fame, but वैसा fame नहीं चाहिए यार. At the end of the title there's a question mark. Notice now? Click beta. So that is what we're gonna find out in today's video. Before starting the video, shout out to you for that amazing comment. Just subscribe. You have a good sense of fashion, bro. Thank you so much, Anjani Singh. लड़की ने bro बोला? So I'm in the bro zone now? Thank you, bro. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. But before starting, let me put on my analysis glasses. Da. It's the motherfucking AARYA immature motherfucker. As you might know, we should always dress according to our body shape in order to look our best. If you don't know what I'm talking about or how to dress according to your body shape, I've made a video. You can click on the card right here and know how to dress according to your body shape in order to look your best. It's also linked in the description below. Carry here is somewhat in the middle of the ectomorph and the mesomorph body type. Like not too skinny, not too muscular. By this, he should mostly wear regular fit or slim fit clothing. He shouldn't go for skinny fit at all because it's gonna look bad on him. Casual clothing or streetwear clothing is gonna look best with his character, is gonna go very well with his character. So you should mostly get into those. And if you don't know what streetwear is or like how to get into it, well, no worries because I've made a separate playlist on streetwear, like everything from the basics to like the advanced level stuff. So consider subscribing for that reason alone. Well, Carry here isn't like too much fond of dressing up. Fanfest 2017.
क्या किया यार तुम लोग ने? क्या मजाक किया?
Well, mostly he doesn't need to dress up because he's already successful. His character isn't like exactly the dressing up kind of a character, and he mostly does all his work at his home. The character he portrays is a very open, chill, and a move-it kind of character, like not in a bad way. And we can see in most of his outfits that he goes for that casual or that chill kind of a vibey outfit, like a typical symbiosis student, except for the stoner part. As you can see, he is fond of florals a lot, which portray the character of Carryminati pretty well. Well, there are a few exceptions too, like right here. This outfit, it's good. But what are those? These are not meant for daytime. These are like nighttime kind of sneakers for clubbing or like nighttime stuff. But with this outfit, not a chance. Like you could have gone with a black hoodie or a yellow hoodie if it's daytime. It would have looked much better with the sneakers. The two very different patterns and different vibrant colors don't go very well together. Like it's very hard to pull it off. Like in this one, it's not at all good. See, this is what I'm talking about. Much better. This is an overall better outfit. Let's check out the formals and semi-formals. Like he's mostly into semi-formals, not a single formal at all. It's kind of semi-formal, like it's okay. I'd say it's okayish. But the jacket right here is it's slim fit. So the denim he's wearing, it's regular fit, kind of loose. So instead, if he had gone for a slim fit denim, a full plain black slim fit denim, it would have looked much better on this outfit. Like, this is a good example of him pulling it off very well. The semi-formal look is nailed in this one. He's also great at traditional wear like this kurta right here, as you can see. Well, it's on point. I have nothing to say about it. Talking about this one, the sweatshirt is good, but I'm not really a big fan of those large logos or those brandings, you know? Oh, bhai ka brand hai. Then it's fine. It's completely fine if it's bhai ka brand. Because अगला मेरे सिद्दीकी तो बनना नहीं है, but अगला विवेक ओबरॉय भी किसको बनना है ना? And in general भी भाई से पंगा लेना अच्छा नहीं है सेहत के लिए, because I love walking on the footpaths and I love my life. And then last, my opinion is that streetwear and florals look very well on him. Like, it portrays his character very well, it helps his character very well, it looks pretty good on him. And with all of this analysis, let's set the scores. The scores will be in terms of fit, personality, versatility, color combination, and accessorizing. So rating Carryminati with the fit, he is a 4 out of 5. Pretty much all the time his fit is on point. In personality game, he is a 5 on 5. Like, with his character, the clothes go very well, the outfits go very well. In terms of versatility, I'd say it's a 3 on 5, not very bad, because he does not try much, and I feel he should stay there if he needs to put that character into perspective. So 3 is my rating here. In terms of color combination, it's gonna be a 3.5 out of 5. And last, that is accessorizing, it's 0. I'm sorry, I did not find a single picture in where like Carryminati has, well, paired some accessories with his outfits. Like, not even a watch. At least you gotta pair a watch. So the score right here is 15.5 out of 25, which means it's 3 stars out of 5 stars. Pretty good score, I'd say. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to watch the first video, that is Bhuvan Bamwala fashion analysis, the card is right here. You can click on it. It's also linked in the description below. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why in the comment section below. Let me know. And what video or what YouTuber you want me to make a video on next. It's not just limited to YouTubers, but any celebrities or TikTokers or anyone you can suggest down below. Also, if you're interested in this type of content, I would really appreciate if you consider subscribing to my channel and be a part of our community. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned down below. It's @StreetStyleScape. You can follow me there and talk to me directly. I also have my own Snapchat, so you can add me on Snapchat and like we can be good friends and create snap streaks or whatever. And also get some insight of how I create these videos and like inside stuff. And let me know if you want me to wear these glasses for like future videos whenever we do these analysis. And till then, stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.